I'm going over something very exciting. So Bagsmart reached out to me and was like, hey, we're dropping a new collection. Do you want to do a video for us? I obviously said yes because they have lots of travel bags, and obviously I've been doing a lot of traveling lately. So obviously I wanted to try it out because I have gone through a lot of backpacks from a lot of wear and tear and, you know, bags breaking and such. And so I kind of wanted to test this bag out. And first I wanted to start with the unboxing. So Bagsmart sent me over this. Okay, it is a part of their new collection. This is the Blast Quick Access Bag. This is 28 to 38 liters. I'm very excited. Let's unbox this. Very excited. It's like Christmas. So I got it in black because airports and road trips are always very dirty. And wow, oh my God, this is like really good texture. You guys see this like fabric? Hang on, let me try to zoom in for you so you guys can get a look at this. I'm pretty sure it's water resistant. So this is like a duffel slash backpack. So it can kind of double as both, which is something that really caught my eye because what else do you need in a bag? Especially if you're going on the airplane. I also have a 10% off discount. The code is here, and in my description below it will be the link and all that stuff that you can use. I mean, let's get on into it. Like this thing it looks like it has lots of pockets. Okay, so first thing that I'm noticing is a pocket right here. A nice little front access, easy pocket. Love that. And then behind it, there's another pocket for any kind of other storage that you need. Quick access to both of them. That's so fast, so easy. Let's unbuckle this side here. So as you can see, it expands fairly thick. She's thick. There's a water bottle pouch here, and they also have clasps on the other side as well. Expand it. And this is where it has the handle. So you can like carry it like a briefcase or like a duffel bag, which also has a quick access side pocket too. So if you want to throw your phone, your wallet, your passport in there, something where people wouldn't, you know, like think to unzip or reach back. Which is also another thing that I really like, is that like when you're looking at this and if that's tucked in, you can't tell that there's a pocket. So you can actually put stuff in your backpack without people trying to like steal stuff from it. Okay, let's open the little smaller compartment here. Okay, ooh, this is like, hang on, let me remove this. Like really good quality. So we have a pocket up here, which is nice for storing like toiletries or anything like that. Pretty nice. Okay, and then we also have a pocket for, this is the main compartment. So we have a little space for like shoes, obviously here. But if we roll this up, that's where you can put your shirts, your underwear, your pants, especially my carry-ons. I love to make sure I have an extra pair of clothes that is not in my suitcase, because if they end up losing my suitcase, then I can always have backup in my carry-on bag, which is this. So I can also fit camera gear in here too, with the clothing around it, and it'd be nice and padded and ready to use literally quick anytime. Over here, there's a little pocket, perfect for headphones, earbuds, anything like that, any small type of thing. I'd probably put my glasses case here. I'm gonna pack this for you guys once I'm done like showing you guys this cool bag. But yeah, so this is like the little top compartment, and obviously it has a handle as well. And also you can strap your clothes on in there, which is super nice. And again, you could put your shoes in the bottom of the backpack or whatever you need to put in there, obviously, which is super nice. And then lastly, we have a little bag extender just to give you that a little extra room, just to sneak it, you know, because sometimes our backpacks be thick, and you know, the flight attendant lady will be like, make sure all things are zipped up, but like if your extender is out like this, they're not gonna notice, you know what I mean? And we also have a laptop compartment, which is great because, you know, me as a social media person, YouTuber, I need all that laptop space. So we have a space for a laptop right here, and then we have a space for an iPad or a tablet, and then we have space here for chargers, anything you could really think that you need for your laptop or whatever, you can slide it in on here, so that everything is in one area in one compartment, and you don't have to dig around in lots of sections of your bag for whatever you need for your laptop. So it's super convenient. And then we also have this like super hidden back pocket, so that you could also put your wallet here, passport, pens, napkins, whatever kind of anything emergency you need. This is always a really nice, cool secret pocket that nobody is going to get into because it is on your back. And we do also have a buckle so that it's less weight on your shoulders, and it kind of compresses it for you, which is super, super nice, and I use these all the time. Another thing that's really nice is this suitcase handle. So you can put this on top of your suitcase. Quick, easy, simple, just like that. And that's one of the reasons why I got this bag, is because it is so easy for travel. I mean, this thing is, honestly, it is literally in the name. It's quick access, it's easy, and it's meant for traveling. These zippers, let's zoom on the zippers. The zippers are such good quality, and they're beefy too. Like, that zipper is beefy. It's gonna take a while for this to break, which I've actually broken my last backpack with, was the zipper. It split right there, and I had to throw it away. So this new backpack is quite hefty on the zippers, which is really good for travel. I'm gonna pack this bag for a trip that I have this weekend. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, so this is all the stuff that is going to go in this backpack. So I have a 2-night stayover, and this is all the stuff that I'm packing. I have my passport, my wallet. These two things are gonna go together in this top pocket. And then at the top part, I'm also gonna throw in my hand sanitizer and chapstick, and also my AirPods, because it's quick access. All that stuff that I need is on top. Let's go ahead and get the laptop in there. Go ahead, put my laptop in there. She's pretty hefty. And put the mouse in there as well. I'm bringing one pair of jeans and 2 shirts, 2 pairs of underwear, and 2 socks. Okay, it's gonna fit all. I'm gonna pack my water bottle, the water bottle side. Throw in my camera as well, because I need it. It's my job, it's what I do. And I'm also gonna pack my toiletries. So in here I have toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, stuff like that. It's gonna go like right there. Boom. And in this little side compartment here, I'm gonna put my sunglasses right there. I'm gonna use these little buckles to buckle and tighten the bag. Honestly, this is such a nice carry-on bag. I mean, everything fits swimmingly. There's extra room, obviously. I could even pull down that extender that I have. This is pretty nice, and you can also carry it like this. This is such a nice bag, oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you what it looks like on. It's very comfy. Everything feels safe and secure. It's a really nice backpack. I can also carry it like this, like a duffel bag if I needed to. I highly recommend this bag because when you're traveling, the stuff that you need is great. There's no taking stuff out of suitcases and switching and swapping. Literally all that you need is this bag. And I still have room, if I wanted to fit shoes in here. Like flip-flops or, you know, any kind of, you know, sneaker. I have room to fit shoes in here. Bagsmart, go check them out. I have a 10% off discount code, so go check it out. It's a travel essential. It's a need to have a really good backpack. One that won't get a hole in it like the third time that you use it. One that you know you can rely on, and one that stays with you through all of the traveling, and it can tell a story. So go get yourself a little bag from Bagsmart. I have no complaints. It's literally perfect for what I need it for. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it interests you, go check out the description below. Everything is linked down there. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.